Sending money across borders can be slow and expensive. But what if there was a way to move money as quickly as an email? Meet XRP. XRP is a digital currency designed for one superpower: fast, cheap, global payments. Unlike traditional banks that take days and charge high fees, XRP transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds and cost pennies. XRP isn't meant to replace your everyday cash. Instead, it acts like a bridge currency. Think of it as a universal translator for money. If you send euros to someone who wants yen, XRP can convert them instantly, cutting out delays and middlemen. XRP is often linked to a company called Ripple, which uses XRP in its payment systems for banks and businesses. But here's the key: XRP itself is decentralized. It's not controlled by Ripple or any government. It's secured by a network of computers worldwide. You might have heard about legal debates around XRP. In 2020, the SEC questioned if XRP was a security. But in 2023, a court ruled it's not a security when sold to the public. This clarity boosted confidence in XRP's future. So, to recap, XRP is a speedy, affordable digital currency for global payments. It's used by banks, businesses, and everyday people to move money without the hassle. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple crypto explainers. Thanks for watching.